Hi guys, how are you? How are all of you? So again we are back with one of Dr. Adarsh's most favorite treatment, and this is the sixth patient since morning, and I'm glad to know that this has become your all favorite treatment also, because people are going crazy. It's 9:15 and I have another patient after him. So just imagine how, yeah, so just guess how amazing the results of this procedure are. So you can see. So Dr. Adarsh, please tell us what have you done.
Guys, so as you people can see, this is my most favorite treatment right now. The result outcome is like glass-like skin appearance and skin tightening, and the glow which will get patient after this treatment with combination of vampire facial, tissue remodeling and collagen buildup, collagen synthesis will amazing after these treatments. I mean, I don't think so is there any treatment which is equivalent to this treatment modality in case of tissue remodeling and glow. The hydration which we will get after this treatment with the combination of PRP is amazing.
Hi Lucky, hi. What are you trying to ask? बाद में पूरा face. Kindly DM us the questions, guys. What's the point of going live? We are not here to answer your questions. We are here to show you the procedure so that you get a glimpse into what all we do here at Saryu. I know it's getting a bit boring because every day we are going online with this treatment, but what to do? People are going crazy, guys, with the results of this treatment. कुछ और कराना ही नहीं है किसी को. Everybody is just going crazy. So, Dr. Adarsh, for what reason are you doing this particular treatment on this young boy?
Already we had whole microinfusion, microneedling plus vampire in this patient earlier, but patient wants much more glow.
Yeah.
And his desires are getting higher and higher day by day. So now we are planning best treatment modality which we can get for our patients, and already you have seen the results and outcome of this treatment modality. So after gold microinfusion, I think this is the best treatment modality in an anonymous way for everyone, for every kind of patient with less downtime and
Okay. So, since the wedding season is here, so I would like to ask you something which a lot of people have been asking me. If somebody has 40 or 50 days to go for their wedding, can they go for this treatment 40-50 days before their wedding or not?
anytime.
They can.
The downtime of the treatment is on a higher side, 7 days. Major downtime will be 3 to 5 days, and you will get optimum result after 1 week.
Okay. So we can do this treatment, right?
Yes.
All right. And as usual, after this, you will be doing your most favorite vampire facial. You can go to some Halloween party like this. Anything else you want to tell? Thank you, Lucky. So nice. What's the price of this treatment, guys? You have to DM us or come down for a consultation to know the prices. We don't disclose the prices online. Sorry. So this is also not just Dr. Adarsh's favorite treatment, but also a celebrity favorite treatment. Lucky saying how much cost to one facial, sir? This is what I am saying. Please message कीजिए आप, DM कीजिए. Then we will talk to you, tell you the prices. Okay? Because for every patient the treatment modality is different. We always do customize the treatments according to the patient. So what all other treatments can somebody go for, like 30 days or 50 days before the wedding that you offer at Saryu?
Apart from that, you can also go for fractional one, but fractional treatment is more ablative and downtime will be higher. So obviously you will get glow and tissue remodeling and hydration, and the texture resurfacing will be better in fractional. But if you want it with less ablative time, less downtime, with almost equivalent results, you can always go for fractional one in combination with vampire facial. So if there is more skin resurfacing we want to achieve, if there is there is a lot of need of smoothness of texture, or there is any marks or open pores, in that situation fractional is better. If there is not much concern of these all things, you just need glow and gloss, shine, glass-like appearance, skin tightening, tissue remodeling, tonicity of the face, then always fractional is the best choice. Okay. Apart from that, you can go for micro Botox. You can make your own cocktail according to the skin of the patient. In those cocktails, you can use vitamin C serums, you can use glutathione, you can use hyaluronic serums with a different concentration. You can use your fillers and your hyaluronic skin boosters, your platelet, your own platelet. But make sure it should not be PRGF, it should be PRP.
Yeah.
So there is a big difference between PRGF and PRP. And I think most of the clinics and clinicians are doing PRGF technique, not PRP technique.
Yeah. So how will the patient differentiate, and how will the patient get to know if he is paying for PRP and they, somebody is doing PRGF instead?
So there are different machines for different purpose. The PRGF machine is totally different from PRP technique. So the processing of collecting your plasma platelets from the plasma is different, and machine is totally different. And collecting your growth factors from your plasma is different thing. Growth factors are also necessary and important, but that is only a part of plasma. That is not complete platelet. So segregation of platelet is a process which is totally different. The angulation, rotation, movement, temperature control, pressure control, atmospheric pressure control, these all modes are included in your platelet-rich plasma machines. But in your platelet-rich growth factor machines are deprived of these all things. They just have rotational.
So we have a different setting for male and female in our machine because the hemoglobin content of the male and female is different. So it has to be spun on a different RPM to get the desired amount of platelet-rich plasma. अच्छा डॉक्टर आदर्श, प्लेटलेट-रिच प्लाज्मा से एक क्वेश्चन याद आया मुझे, जो बहुत पेशेंट्स पूछना चाहते हैं. वी रिसीव दिस क्वेश्चन इन आवर Q&A. Can you answer it? It's not related to this treatment. So a lot of my patients, ask me that PRP से बाल उगते हैं क्या? So can you please clear this doubt? It's a very big doubt amongst all the people who are suffering from hair loss. Please, you have to clear it today.
हाँ, उगते भी हैं और नहीं भी उगते हैं. PRP से डायरेक्ट बाल नहीं उगते हैं. PRP का अपने आप से कोई लेना देना नहीं है बाल के ग्रो करने से. हाँ, PRP बाल ग्रो करने के प्रोसेस को हेल्प करता है. बेसिकली जो इसमें प्लेटलेट होता है उसका काम हमारे शरीर के अंदर रिपेयरिंग और मेंटेनेंस का होता है. तो स्किन के नीचे जो भी डैमेज होता है बिकॉज ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर हार्मोन और एनीथिंग एल्स, उसकी रिपेयरिंग प्लेटलेट करता है जब हम उसको इंजेक्ट करते हैं. और वो रिपेयरिंग की वजह से बाल ग्रो करने में प्रोसेस को, कंप्लीट प्रोसेस को हेल्प करता है. PRP खुद से बाल नहीं उगाता. बाल उगते हैं सिर्फ हार्मोन्स की वजह से.
राइट.
Okay, anything else you want to know?
Yeah, so I want to know what will be the aftercare after this procedure. So these are some questions which I received last week. I had put a Q&A on Insta. So I'm just reading those questions. So what's the aftercare after this procedure that we are...
Aftercare after this treatment is not that complicated. You just have to avoid direct sun exposure.
Okay.
You'll have to put Fusibact or Fusidin ointment overnight. Make sure your skin should be hydrated and moisturized during this procedure. After this procedure for next 5 days, use of SPF at least 50 is mandatory. So this is the only main instructions. Apart from this, you don't have to massage your face for next 5 days. Just wait for your results.
And any retinols or any night creams or any anti-aging creams that you have been using, you have to stop the usage 5 days before and 5 days after the treatment, right? Okay. So anything along with this treatment to boost the results that the patient can take?
Already we are using these kind of boosters. This is your platelet-rich plasma. So this combination is more than enough for desired results.
All right. So I think that's all for today, Dr. Adarsh. Okay. So say bye.
Bye.
Okay, guys. Bye. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.